পাহাড়গুলোতে। Dear friends, we are traveling from Guwahati to Gauripur in the district of Dhubri, and we started at 10:30 in the morning today, and now we have crossed Jogi Gupa. Jogi Gupa is in a industrial area, but now industries are not there. Even paper mill was there, it's not there now. It is all called sick and closed. And to my left side, if you go this side, you can get Bangladesh after some few kilometers, and see the roads, beautiful road, and see the full of hills. At every place you'll find hills one after another. It's really beautiful. बहुत अच्छा लगता है देखने में. हम थोड़ा आगे जाने से हम महामाया मंदिर मिलेगा, हम देखने की कोशिश करेंगे, आपको दिखाने की कोशिश करेंगे. महामाया मंदिर is a very famous temple of this northeastern India. So let's go ahead and see what else is there. The beautiful views, just see ahead, the hills, green, full of greeneries and hills, and beautiful roads are there. And to my right side, yes, left side is beautiful, full of greeneries and hills. And see this road. We are now going towards Dhubri district of Assam, northeast India. You know, Dhubri district is surrounded by Bangladesh borders. We shall try to see Bangladesh borders, different parts of the district. If we go straight, we'll get Borpata district, 65 kilometers from here, but we've taken a left turn and now going towards Gauripur, Dhubri. देखिए थोड़ा कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. हम लोग जा रहा है द प्लेस ऑफ ग्रेट ग्वालपाड़िया सिंगर पद्मश्री प्रतिमा पांडे जी. She used to live in Gauripur, and we are going to that place today for some official work. See, the right hand side is going to Bongaigaon district this way, but we are going straight for Dhubri, and that side was Bongaigaon area. Please see, more hills are there, beautiful green hills are there. Assam is said to be the land of hills. See the hills. Wherever you go, you'll find lots of hills. And see this side, the hills, the sky, the cloudy sky. Beautiful to see, enjoy. Really. And this is left side. This is a cloud of Bangladesh, you can say. Beautiful hill. Yeah,
लोकल मालगाड़ी.
कि अब शाम का 4:30 बजे, करीब 4:30 बजे का टाइम है. अगर आपको हिल्स देखना है, पहाड़ देखना है, तो नॉर्थ ईस्ट में आइए. देखिए ये असम है, धुबरी. वी आर गोइंग टू धुबरी. देखिए एक का बाद एक छोटे बड़े पहाड़ आ रहा है. द फुल ऑफ हिल्स, एंजॉयबल ग्रीनरीज एरिया है ना. इसमें बहुत हाथी आते हैं. लॉट्स ऑफ एलिफेंट्स कम हियर फॉर द हिल एरियाज टू द human areas, and there is often clash between elephant and human beings in this area. And often you can find it at night and sometimes in the day also that lot of elephants come and block the road. ये जो पहाड़ी एरिया है ना, ये पहाड़ का जो सीन, इसको देखने से मेरा एक ही गीत बहुत बार बार आते रहते हैं. वो है अमित कुमार जी का, ये ज़मीं गा रही है, आसमां गा रहा है, साथ मेरा ये सारा जहां गा रहा है. Dear friends, this is all forest area of this region, and often elephants keeps on coming from the forest to the human area, to the road, and sometimes there's clash between man and elephant in this area. And we are going ahead. Our car is moving towards Gauripur. You see this area. Whoa, beautiful. ये ज़मीं गा रही है, आसमां गा रहा है, साथ मेरा ये सारा जहां गा रहा है. Beautiful hills reminds me of these types of song. और भी ग्रीनरीज आ रहा है दोस्तों. अब देखिए, we're heading. Oh, beautiful hills.
तो देखा ना पाए ना यार बड़ा
Excellent.
मुखन देखा पाए नहीं कि ना पाए ना
Excellent.
हाय
Tunnel made by railways. You see, have a look. And for railways, so that the rail can pass through the hills. So this is a tunnel. This is a tunnel for railway lines. And in another part of Assam, like on the way from Guwahati to Silchar, you'll find 36 tunnels are there. Railways pass. If you pass cross Lamding, then you'll find 36 tunnels are there under the hills. The railways pass, and these were made by the Britishers, and still these are working. ये ज़मीं गा रही है, आसमां गा रहा है, साथ मेरा ये सारा. देखिए हिल्स कितना सुंदर सुंदर हिल्स है. Okay, after watching this video, I believe that most of you will feel like visiting Northeast India, Assam, and to enjoy these hill views in this area. See, so many we've got hills, beautiful hills are there. Oh, full of greeneries. आपको दिल खुश हो जाएगा ये hills देखने से. ये greeneries, ये हरियाली, all in the lap of the nature. You can enjoy the nature, you can live with the nature in this area. And the pure air, weather is very pure and full of oxygen. You can visit this area whenever you get opportunity. The hills so full of greeneries. These hills are there, and anybody wants peace in life, you can come to this area and stay few days or few hours, and you can enjoy this greeneries, pure air, pure oxygen. Friends, hope you're enjoying my video, and I'll show you many more things, and I'm really very excited because I'm going to see Gauripur and Dhubri. It's not my first time that I have come here. Last 2-3 times I came here for different purposes, and whenever I come to this area, you know, I get a lot of enjoyment. My friends are there. It's very near to Bangladesh border, and we are going. I'll show you many more things, so wait and keep on watching the video till the end. Please subscribe the channel and like and share. Thank you very much. फिर से हिल आ गया. देखो पीछे में फिर से हिल आ गया. As a cloudy sky, the sun is setting to the west, and we are heading towards Gauripur. And see this hill, so beautiful. What's the name of this place? Dakhin? So this place is known as Dakshin Baitamari. So see the clouds and the hills and the greeneries and the paddy. So दोस्तों देखिए और एक टनल है, रेलवे टनल. So under the hills are cut and made this tunnel for railway lines. It will be going, this rail will be passing through these hills to the other side, and there's a tunnel made artificially. So now we have come to the place which is known as Sapor. So this is a beautiful place. In this place, Sapor, home place of late Sharat Chandra Sinha, was the ex-chief minister of Assam. So this is the place of ex-chief minister of Assam, late Sharat Chandra Sinha. The name of the place is Sapor. भक्त ने किया क्या हंसी सितम, तुम रहे न तुम, हम रहे न हम. भक्त ने किया क्या हंसी सितम, बेकरार दिल इस तरह मिले जिस तरह कभी हम जुदा न थे, बेकरार दिल इस तरह मिले जिस तरह कभी हम जुदा न थे, तुम भी खो गए हम भी खो गए, तुम भी खो गए हम भी खो गए, एक राह पर चल के दो कदम वक्त ने किया क्या हंसी सितम. Friends, now it started raining very lightly, and the song that I remember now, रिमि झिमि गिरे सावन, सुलगे सुलगे जाए मन, भीगे आंखें इस मौसम में, लगे कैसे ये अगन, रिमि झिमि गिरे सावन. See this side full of water, and yeah, this is the wetland area, full of water, and people catch fishes here, different types of fish available here, fresh fish, and they sell in the local markets and nearby the road, and it's very cheap also, fresh fish here in this area. दोस्तों, आपको मैं प्रतिमा पांडे जी का बात बोल रहा था, तो उनका ये गाना, फेमस फोक सिंगर ऑफ दिस पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, उनका ये गाना सुनिए. एक लाइन सुनाऊंगा. दिने दिने खुशिया পরিবে, রঙিলা দালানের মাটি ঘুষাই দেও কোন রঙে, ও দিনে দিনে. Friends, now I'm passing the road which is water both the sides, water masses both the sides. See this side water, and this side also full of water. दूर देखिए फिर पहाड़ियाँ, कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ के दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए. Dear friends, now we are passing through a place called Bilashipara. The city of Bilashipara is a bit far from here, but this is the area of Bilashipara. तेरे बिना मन मंदिर मेरा है बड़ा सुनसान, तुम आ जाना भगवान, मैं द्वार खुल कर बैठा हूँ, तुम आ जाना भगवान. Dear friends, please see, this is all flooded area. Both the sides of the roads are flooded, and this side also, and many houses are underwater. Many small villages are underwater, and this is the flood time, the rainy season, and this is the flooded area, and most of the other places are also flooded. I'll show you after some time more flooded areas in this locality. See the flooded area, and people are catching fish. You see, this is the flooded area. This is the river. The river, I don't know the name of the river. There are lots of rivers in this area, and dear friends, we have just crossed the Mahamaya temple, but we could not enter the temple because we don't have much of time, and it is in the evening time is closed also, and we are running short of time, and we are going to Gauripur to reach there as soon as possible. So, and it's very soon we are going to reach Gauripur, and I'll be sharing you many more information about this place and the other events. Dosto, very soon we shall reach Gauripur. We're very near to Gauripur. And see the view of the road that we're passing through. The beautiful greeneries both sides, full of greeneries, and ऐसा लगता है कि इधर बहुत दिन रह जाऊंगा, इधर कभी वापस जाऊंगा ही नहीं गुवाहाटी, ऐसे लग रहा है। ऐसे दिल में कुछ ऐसी फीलिंग्स होता है कि इधर रह जाऊंगा। इतना सुंदर ब्यूटीफुल greeneries, roads and a peaceful place. The full of flooded areas in this area. This side also. Both sides of the road full of floods. Dear friends, we have reached this place. This is a temple known as Ganesh Akhara, and this having one guest house, a beautiful guest house. We'll be staying there tonight and even day after tomorrow night also. So let me enter this Ganesh temple, Ganesh Akhara. It's a beautiful place. People say here long back the king's men used to do wrestling and exercises, different types of exercises, and that's why it is known as Akhara. In Assamese, this word Akhara, it is known as Ganesh Akhara, Gauripur, Assam. So ultimately it is taken, few years back it has taken the form of this temple and as well as guest house, this beautiful place in Gauripur to visit, to see, to stay and enjoy the life here spiritually, highly developed spiritual place. Ganeshaya Namo. Let's see, this is Ganesh temple. This is Ganesh temple. Yeah. Beautiful Ganesh temple. Okay, this is the place. See this side. This house is there. The lawn is beautiful. So this is Srimati Rohini Devi Jain, Gauripur Mananiya, established by these people. So Anantalal Gyani Dev. So this is Mati Akhara, Ganesh Akhara. This is the guest house I'm entering. Yeah. Friends, you have come to the temple and now this is the room which has been allotted to me. I'll be passing these 2 nights here. See my room, so beautiful room. And I'll be passing my night today, tonight and tomorrow also here. And here we are having Professor Digonto Biswas. He's a teacher of accountancy of PB College?
PB College.
PB College. You teach accountancy?
Accountancy.
Okay. And please identify yourself.
Myself, Orindam Bhuya. I'm junior assistant at PB College, Gauripur.
Okay, so Orindam is working here in PB College and Digonto is also working like my younger brother. He's working here and I'll be spending my night here. And so dear friends, this is the 3rd time I've come to Dhubri, Gauripur, and I'm really enjoying here. Whenever I feel like coming to this part of the northeastern India, very much excited. And I took almost 7 to 8 hours for reaching from Guwahati to Gauripur by car, and I've shown you several things, many things in the road. And after some time I'll be showing you the temple around where I have been. This is Ganesh temple?
Ganesh temple.
Or Ganesh Akhara?
Ganesh Akhara.
So Ganesh Akhara is having these types of beautiful guest houses, and I have been given the accommodation to this guest house today. So thank you very much. Coming back to you very soon. Thank you. Process how they are preparing tea. They're sitting the sand all around, and the sand, these pots are there, and they keep giving water, and they'll prepare the tea this way. There's a whole sand, and they'll pour in these types of cups, and they'll serve. What they're making here, oh, chapati, beautiful. Let's see the doing the preparation. এক্সট্রা কি লাভ হয় পানি এটার মধ্যে গরম করে কিছু লাভ হয়?
এটার মধ্যে গরম করলে কি এর টেস্টটা আলাদা আসে?
আলাদা টেস্ট হয়? ও, they are saying it gives different types of taste if you heat the tea this way, prepare the tea this way. First time I've seen these types of preparation of tea. Cups. Yeah. Have you ever seen anybody preparing this type of tea? I have not. I have seen for the first time. Friends, I thought they are preparing tea, but they are preparing coffee. এরকম করে চাও বানান না?
না না চা না অনলি
শুধু কফিটা বানান এরকম? Oh, this is not tea. They are preparing coffee this way. Coffee. Innovative preparation of coffee.
বসে বসে বারোটা কতজন মারছো
These cups are made of soil, earthen cups. These are one-time usable. These are not reusable. Use and throw.
এই যে পাঁচটা এই যে মেনু আছে
They're preparing so
100 130 150
pizza. Local made pizza. They're preparing pizza here. Local made pizza. Must be delicious. কি কফি কইটু?
এইটো টার্কি স্মার্ট কফি
টার্কি স্মার্ট কফি।
টার্কি স্মার্ট কফি
কোথ শিকিছা তুমি দিল্লী?
দিল্লি দিছো
Oh, so dear friends, it's known as Turkish Smart Coffee, and the process he has learned from Delhi. Really, it was beautiful, tasty, delicious coffee,
কোনটো
and we enjoy it.
বানার এটাই আছে